This is a brand new 2013 Kia Sportage. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, commercial-free satellite radio, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, a rear window defroster, a chrome grille, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, a rear window windshield wiper, and an auxiliary power outlet. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, its fuel efficiency will save you time and money. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Fisher Auto is located at 6025 Arapahoe Drive in Boulder. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.